Hello, my friends. Today, we will be talking about why you should study math, right? This is a question that I've asked many times. It's like, what's the point of all this? Why should I care about trig, calc, algebra? How does this apply to the real world, right? And have I reached the answer? No. But I will share with you my thoughts and I guess express my own opinions for why I think, I guess it's just like self-validation, like validating like why I should believe or do math. So basically, math is the explanation of the things around us, I guess. So why does 2 plus 2 equal 4, right? We discover that it exists throughout the world and that it's consistent with all that we have done and through all of our math proofs and logic, right? And so therefore, through deductive reasoning, we can assume that whatever we solve is true. So essentially, if 2 plus 2 equals 4, then the rest is implied and is true. But my question is, how did we well, okay, never mind. I was gonna ask, how do we know 2 plus 2 equals 4? But I guess it was already there. And so through our invention of language and our way of describing the natural world, therefore it is 4, right? Like regardless, if I can say 2 plus 2 equals 5 or 3, but that's not true because it's not, that would be just made up. Like it's not, math is discovered. And so how does this relate to why we should study math, right? It comes down to understanding the world around you. So through math, we are able to grasp what we see and what we observe. And I guess it's kind of like a big puzzle, really. Like, it's all a big mind game that God gave for us to keep us entertained and to just appreciate his beauty. So yeah, like with all subjects, really, like there's never going to be a point where you can confidently say that you know it all. And so unless like you're a transcendent human being, which is impossible because you're not, because none of us are, except for Jesus and God himself. But anyways, like all of these topics give us like the mental stimulation to spend a lifetime on, which is kind of amazing. And it just goes to show like how limited we are in our own minds and the vast amount of knowledge in the world that stems from the word, right? Genesis. Oh wait, no, not Genesis. Gospel of John, in the beginning, John chapter 1 verse 1, in the beginning was the word. So the word is information. The boy. How does this dog contain so much information? Yo, you gotta chill, bro. Jesus, God, through his information, he gives birth to all the information in the world. So, basically, yeah, those are my key points. Let me know if you disagree, agree, disagree. Let me know if there's more to know. And yeah, I think the truly knowledgeable person is the one who can admit that he will never ever know it all, right? You are in a continual state of learning and discovering. And so to proclaim that you are an expert in a field would be, that claim would be, I guess, assumptuous or false, because truly there are no, I mean, I guess you could have a wealth of information in a specific knowledge subject, and therefore when considered to like lay people, then yes, you are an expert, but you can never become a god in a field because you can never know it all. Stay blessed and peace out.